The DJI Mini 5 Pro is the latest addition to DJI's acclaimed lineup of compact drones, offering a blend of advanced features and user-friendly design. This drone is designed to cater to both enthusiasts and professionals seeking high-quality aerial photography and videography in a portable package. Design and build. Maintaining the lightweight ethos of the Mini series, the DJI Mini 5 Pro weighs approximately 249 grams, making it compliant with various aviation regulations that exempt drones under 250 grams from certain restrictions. Its foldable design ensures easy portability, allowing users to carry it effortlessly in a backpack or even a large pocket. The drone's dimensions are compact when folded, measuring 94.0 by 64.0 by 148.0 millimeters and expand to 373.0 by 101.0 by 298.0 millimeters when unfolded. Camera system. A standout feature of the Mini 5 Pro is its upgraded camera system. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second and 48 megapixel stills, ensuring high-quality imagery even in low-light conditions. The f/1.7 aperture allows for better depth of field and improved performance in various lighting scenarios. Additionally, the camera supports HDR video, providing a broader dynamic range and more vivid colors. Flight performance. The Mini 5 Pro offers impressive flight capabilities. With a maximum flight time of approximately 34 minutes, users can capture extensive footage without frequent battery changes. The drone can reach speeds up to 16 meters per second in sport mode, providing agility for dynamic shots. Its maximum ascent and descent speeds are 5 meters per second, allowing for swift altitude adjustments. Obstacle avoidance and safety features. Safety is paramount in the Mini 5 Pro's design. It features an advanced obstacle avoidance system with sensors on all sides, providing 360-degree awareness to navigate complex environments safely. This system enhances the drone's ability to avoid obstacles during flight, reducing the risk of collisions. Transmission system. The drone utilizes DJI's OcuSync 4.0 transmission system, offering a clear 1080p live video feed up to 20 kilometers away. This extended range ensures reliable connectivity, allowing pilots to explore and capture footage from greater distances. Intelligent flight modes. The Mini 5 Pro comes equipped with various intelligent flight modes to assist users in capturing professional quality footage with ease. Features like Active Track 360 degrees enable the drone to follow subjects smoothly, while Quick Shots provide automated flight patterns for creative shots. The drone also includes a night mode for enhanced performance in low-light conditions. Battery and charging. The drone is powered by a 2,590 mAh Li-ion battery, providing up to 34 minutes of flight time. Charging is efficient, with the battery reaching full capacity in approximately 70 minutes, using DJI's 30W USB-C charger.